The Garmin Live Track feature has been allowing friends and family to follow your rides in real time on their phone or computer. Now we're taking that capability a step further with Group Track, which lets you keep track of other riders in your pack right on your Enje 820 screen. To see other riders directly on your map during a ride, you need an Enje 820 or Enje Explorer 820. To be visible on your Enje 820 map during a Group Track session, other riders can use any connected Live Track compatible Enje or Forerunner. The other riders must be connections in your Garmin Connect account. In Garmin Connect Mobile, you can add connections through social platforms or your phone contacts. Let's find out how to set up a Group Track session for your next ride. On your Enje 820, select Menu, Settings, Group Track. Enable See Connections on Map and then choose Activity Type, Cycling, Running, or both. Next, make sure your Enje is paired with your smartphone. In the Garmin Connect mobile app, go to the main menu and select Live Track. Switch the Group Track toggle to On. Next, select Visible To. From here, you can choose All Connections or Invite Only to add individual contacts to a Group Track session. When you're ready to roll, make sure your Enje 820 has acquired satellites. Select Start Live Track on your phone and then press Start on your Enje. Once other riders have started a Live Track session through Garmin Connect Mobile, you'll be able to view their location on your Enje 820 map page when they're in range, which is 10 miles or 16 kilometers. Remember, if riders in your group have Garmin devices that are not Group Track capable, you can see them on your map, but they cannot display Group Track riders on their map. Let's say you get separated from someone in your group and you want to see how far away that rider is. From the map view, your contacts appear as a blue circle when moving. When a rider stops, the icon changes to a red octagon. To check on another rider's status in more detail, stop riding and simply tap that rider's icon on the map. In the list view, you'll see riders' full usernames along with their distance from you. Your Group Track session ends when you stop the Enje timer and save an activity. You can also turn off Group Track at any point during a ride to alleviate any privacy concerns. Rider positions are updated every 30 seconds, and a good cellular signal is required for regular updates. But don't worry, if you drop out of a coverage area, the position will update automatically once the coverage is back. Group Track can also be helpful if your friends are riding to your house or if you're all meeting to ride out from one location. From your Enje 820 map page, you can view your friends' progress and know precisely when it's time to roll.